All right, so these are going to be. I'm going to go through some old practice problems really quick. These are actually really old CP problems from years and years ago. We should do these really, really quick. A box contains 20 red, 10 blue, 30 yellow beads. What is the probability of a bead drawn at random being red or blue? So 50% or half. What just happened? Oh, maybe I went through them all first. I'm not going to take time to go through all of them first. We'll just talk through them. What is probability that it is yellow or blue? 2/3. What's probability that it's red, blue, or yellow? All right, so the letters of the words hello and bear are written on individual cards. So there are 10 cards. Each one of them has a letter, each one of those. A card is being picked at random. What is the probability of picking the letter L? 1/5. What is the probability of picking the letter E? Letter L or E? A consonant, not a vowel. So what would be the easiest way to come up with that answer? Count the vowels and then do the complement of. Letter E or a consonant? Letter L, E, or T? All right, so now it's these letters. We're gonna go through this one really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 10 again. Probability that the card is an E. Probability it's not an E. Probability it's a vowel. A P.
There's 6 vowels. I'm not a vowel. My bad.
A P.
0.
Not a P. Either a U, Q, or H. So not either a U, Q, or H. So this page was reviewing what word? Complement. Number chosen is a set of whole numbers between 1 to 50.
Wait, why was that one?
Most of the examples were complements. Like it was E, not an E. A P, not a P. Like that. Number chosen at random is a set from whole numbers from 1 to 50. Calculate the probability that the chosen number is not less than 45. Because it's 1 out of 50. So had I had you write that down on paper, part of you, a decent chunk probably would have missed that problem. Because how many are not less than 45?
6.
Because is 45 less than itself? No. Not a multiple of 4. What's the easiest way to do this one? Mm-hmm. So the highest multiple before it gets to 50 is 48. 48 divided by 4 is 12. So 12 of them are, so 38 of them are not. Is more than 45. 4. No. Because 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Is not more than 45 would be, well, it's easy now that we know this one. 9 out of 10. You have a bag with 10 clear marbles. Actually, I want y'all to write down your answers to A through F real quick. Just on the side is fine. So it's 10 clear marbles numbered 1 to 10, 10 brown marbles 1 to 10, and 10 pink numbered 1 to 10. So we have a total of 30 marbles. Each marble is both a color and a number. Answer those questions. whether you realize it or not, you had to ask yourself a question with each part of this. What question did you ask yourself? Are they overlapping? So are they mutually exclusive or not before you can really continue? So just looking through them, mutually exclusive or not. A 7 and a clear marble. Mutually exclusive, not mutually exclusive. Which one? Not. If it can be both, it is not. So a 7 and a clear marble are not mutually exclusive. Even number and a pink marble. Not. A brown and a number greater than 8. Not a number greater than 10 or pink. Not a pink or a clear.
Wait, none of those were.
None of those are mutually exclusive. They can be both at the same time.
Ooh, okay. I was like, wait.
E is what? Mutually exclusive because it cannot be both a pink marble and a clear marble. A number greater than 7 or a number less than 3. Mutually exclusive. So E and F were mutually exclusive. A through D were not mutually exclusive, which means we had to subtract.
How was D mutually? Because the number greater than 10, there were.
Oh, yeah. Technically, that could kind of go either way. I mean, they're mutually exclusive because one of them 0. So A, what is the probability that it's a 7?
10 out of 30. Yep, my bad.
Probability that it's a 7 is what? 3 out of 30. So let's just go out of 30 so we don't have to worry about converting. What's probability that's clear?
10 out of 30.
How many are both?
1 out of 30.
So
12 out of 30.
that's your thought process here. So probability that it's even. 15. How many of them are pink?
10 out of 30.
And then how many of the pink are even?
5 out of 30.
Now, you could also, some people also go through this process the way I did when I wrote it up on the board and go like, how many of them are even? 15. How many of the pink ones were not already even? And then add that to it, which means you're doing the math in your head in the process, and you're still going to get the same answer. How many of them are brown? 10. How many of them are greater than 8? And how many of the brown are greater than 8? So it gives you a total of, sorry, I got to get crooked here, 14. D is what? 10 out of 30 because there are 0 that are greater than 10. So you're basically just finding probability of pink marble. Pink or clear is going to be 20 out of 30. And then greater than 7 or less than 3, 15 out of 30.
And that's because you. 9.
Greater than 7, 8, 9, 10. Less than 3, 2, 3. So you have 5 of each color. No, 3 colors. All right, questions with those?